Hello guys, welcome to Dharam's Code Mystery 7. In this video, we will learn how to install MySQL version on Windows. So let's start. First go to the web browser. I am using Chrome web browser. You can use any web browser. So I'm type MySQL download. Press enter, and you can see mysql.com is the official website. Click on it. Now here you can go download section, click on it. Now go to below. After reaching below, you need to click on MySQL community GPL download. Click on it. Now you will reach the MySQL community download. Now here is a you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Now you can see I am reached MySQL community downloads. Now we have the current version 8.0.39. It by default selected the Windows operating system. Now two versions are visible, 8.0.39 and 5.7.44. Now the select operating system is a Microsoft Windows. Now the two version is visible, 8.0.39 2.1M download, and you can see 8.0.39 3.03.6 MB. You need to click on the following. Okay, it's a written 32-bit, but this work for both 64-bit as well as 32-bit Windows operating system. Click the download. Now here and click no thanks. I just my download. Now you can see MySQL installer community downloading is start. So let's wait some time. So guys, we have downloaded the MySQL installer file. Right click and click open the begin the installation. Now the setup is started. You need to select the setup type. We want to know what we are installing, so I will go for custom. Click next. Now you can see here is a one option, select a product. So click on the MySQL servers first of all. Click the drop down. Then MySQL server is visible 8.0. Here is the current version. So click and click here to drag. Now go to application. Click on MySQL Workbench. Click on it. MySQL Workbench 8.0. Click. And MySQL Workbench 8.0.38 x6, drag it. Now the last one, Shell, here it is drag it. Now click next. We will be installing all three. Click next. Ready to install. I'll click execute. Now one by one it will be installed. Now guys, click next. So product configuration, ready to configure. Click next. Here is a type and networking, a server configuration type, and now here config type development computer, and connectivity TCP IP port 3306 and X protocol port 33060, and open window firewall port the network access. Here in type in networking, keep it as it is and click next. Now the authentication method, keep the default, it is recommended. Click next. Now here you can see account and role. Now we need to add your password. Create your own password. Root means the admin, so I will create my own password. You can also use my password because we are only working on localhost. Uh, okay. Now my SQL root password is a click next. Windows service look fine. Click next. And server file permission is a fine. Click next. And apply configuration. Click next. Execute. And now it will install one by one. Now guys, we have configure. Now click finish. Now here you can see product configuration. Click next, and that it installation is complete. Click on it, finish. And now here, welcome to the MySQL Workbench. Okay, this is a workbench and the cell. So guys, if you want a video on the setup of workbench, then please tell us by commenting. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install MySQL. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, and for such informative videos, subscribe to this channel and send it to as many of your friends as possible. Thank you.